Good morning guys. Greetings from Lisbon, Portugal. Today is a travel day.
It is a travel day. So we're going to be traveling up to Porto, which I believe is 3.5 hours by bus.
Yeah.
We're gonna be leaving the apartment soon, but first we wanted to give you guys a little tour of where we've been staying.
Yeah.
So Sam's gonna do that.
I'll be doing that.
Okay, so right now we're in the hallway and we've got lots of doors to choose from. So where are we going first?
Well, I think I'll take you into the living room. Okay. And something to keep in mind is the apartments that we're renting this time in Europe are a little bit bigger because we're traveling with my parents. So we're getting the extra bedroom.
They need to fit 4 people.
We need to fit 4 of us in here. 4 Canadians. Oh my gosh.
It's not like we're giants or anything. But.
Well, speaking of giants, this place is kind of unique in that sense.
You'll see once we get to the kitchen.
Yeah. So anyways, this was a really, everywhere we've been looking, because there's 4 of us, we're trying to find like really comfortable common spaces.
Yes.
So we got really happy with the size of this massive couch, and we had a nice big table. We used it equally for like just hanging out on our computers, also we had all of our dinners here. Yeah. Which was awesome. We ate at home for every dinner. And we had lunches out. So this was perfect. Good Wi-Fi. Come on in here. So this is the part where, and I don't know why the light isn't turned on.
Oh, it's here. It's outside.
Okay. So this is the funny part, guys, of this kitchen, because I'm pretty tall. Like I'm 6'1", which is like what, 183, 184 centimeters.
I don't know, but we need a stool in this kitchen to do everything.
So for instance, the cutlery, when I go up here, it's right there. Like I can't reach it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then up here was like pots and pans. So everything was
out of reach.
Giant size. Yeah.
Yeah.
We all became very good at using the stepladder.
Even the stove. Look at where the stove is.
Yeah, the stove like was kind of high up. It's one of those typical ones in Europe where you have to light it with a match. Yeah. Turn on the gas, put the match like that.
Okay.
I'll quickly show you the bathroom.
And this is the bathroom?
And this is the bathroom. It's pretty standard. So what you'll notice here is they have...
the shower we hate.
Yeah, the shower did not have a holder.
It's broken.
So that means while you're showering, you kind of have to put it in between your legs and between your armpits, and you get cold. And so yeah, we don't really like that very much. Okay, let's move on to the hallway.
Okay.
So moving on to the hallway. What I like in the hallway is the iconic picture of the trolley. Yep. That is
Tram in Lisbon.
Yeah, that's what you'll find in Lisbon. And here was our bedroom. We had 2 basically
twin beds.
2 single beds?
Twin beds.
Twin beds. That's how we would call it. Yeah. Anyways, it was fun to come back to Lisbon. This is my 2nd time. This was your 3rd time, and this is my parents' 1st time. Yes. So it is a city that we really like. It has a very cool, chill vibe. It's so fun to walk around. But now we're really excited to go to Porto because this is going to be like our first time visiting for everyone. Yes. So a new destination for everyone. Now what we need to do is catch a taxi and get on that bus.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
So we are now at the Sete Rios bus terminal.
Yeah, we just made it. Taxi ride was really nice. We had such a nice driver, very friendly. The ride was also affordable. It came to something like just over €8, which for 4 people is incredible. We were able to fit all our bags in there. It's awesome. Bus terminal is nice here. And yeah, we're just killing time. We arrived really early. We have over an hour to kill. So I went out and got baked goods. So if we take a little tour down here, we've got the all-time favorite. The pastel de nata, the Portuguese egg tart. We have a quiche which we're gonna split into 4, so we each get a little bit. And then I've got a sandwich for all of us. I think it is prosciutto and cheese, and the bun looks really good.
Looks good. And at what time are you having lunch right now?
I'm having lunch at 10:40.
Nicely done.
What do you guys think of that?
A bit early.
A bit early. That sandwich is pretty good.
So it's brunch.
Yeah, brunch.
Brunch.
It's a really thick piece of bread. When are you gonna have yours? Like an hour?
Yeah, I'll have mine when I'm on the bus.
On the bus. I'm saving mine too.
Would you like a knife to cut?
Do you have a knife?
I have a Swiss Army
Okay.
Ooh, we're getting fancy here.
We're getting fancy. We are gonna dissect this into 4.
Okay.
What's Army knife? That's how it's done. All right.
Is that an expression that you got, or is the one that Sam?
Look at that.
I don't know. Where did we get fuss pot
Beautifully cut.
Because that's an expression that our family uses too. Fuss potting.
Oh, maybe Sam came up with fuss pot and I just started using it for him.
Ooh, I have a feeling. I'm not sure. This could either be chicken or tuna.
Yeah,
How do you know?
I can tell. Looking at it. It's chicken.
It could have been tuna.
Looks like chicken.
Oh my gosh.
It is chicken.
It is chicken.
All right, there you go. Chicken quiche.
And the last one, the pastel de nata for dessert.
Okay.
Flaky. You know, it's pretty good, but it's nowhere near the level of the 3 places we had. But it's tasty. This will be a really nice lunch.
All right.
All of this came to 16 euros. So we got 4 sandwiches, 4 pastéis de nata, and 1 big quiche. So good value, and that'll tide us over until we reach Porto. So we've discovered a bit of a hidden talent later in life. You like to be on camera. So if you're gonna, you should start your own YouTube channel. What would you call it? What are some names? What are some names?
First one would be SOF, which is short for Sweaty Old Fossil. And the next one would be Around the World with Pumpy.
Around the World with Pumpy, that's your nickname, Pumpy.
Yeah. And what's the other one? Something about Bobby D.
You came up with, it's like no reservations, you said.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
No fixed address. Yes.
With Bobby D.
With Bobby D.
Because people have said you look like Robert De Niro.
These views can only mean one thing. We have made it to Porto.
And this is an upgrade over our apartment in Lisbon for sure.
We're not in a basement.
I'm loving it. We're on the 4th floor. We have beautiful views of the park.
We have a park right across.
We have a nice spacious bedroom. We'll show you that later. Anyways, yeah, it's time for a much needed update. We forgot to tell you the price of the tickets. The bus tickets were 19 euros per person.
Yes.
So yeah, I thought that was pretty good value. Probably would have been cheaper if we had it booked in advance, but we're kind of winging this. Winging this last minute. Anyways, what I think we'll do is we're gonna go to the grocery store and we're gonna show you. We're gonna have a family dinner tonight. We'll show you a little bit of that. I think we're gonna make some pasta and maybe have some wine.
All right, let's bring the camera when we go shopping. How about that?
All right, let's do it.
Sam in the wine section, of course.
Most important place. Gotta pick out a good wine.
Did you pick out a good wine? That's the question.
Yeah, I think so. Come take a look at this. So this one over here, which I got, is on sale. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong section. Oh, here. There it is. So this is normally $4.99, on sale for $2.49.
Right.
It's Shira.
Ooh.
Should be good.
We did a basic grocery shop.
Yeah, very basic.
By the way, I haven't been on camera much today because I didn't wash my hair. There was no hot water.
We ran out of
hot
water in the morning, so
I'm a bit of a mess.
Grungy.
So yeah, next stop, bakery shop for bolinhos de bacalhau, if we can find that. And then we're gonna find a fruit and veg shop.
Yeah, and that's right by our apartment. The fruit and veg shop, we know where that is.
He's getting apples. Grocery shopping, how exciting. Apples. I look like a mess. Will we get apples? There are the apples.
4?
Yeah. You guys, we found an Asian supermarket and they have Korean noodles.
Oh my gosh,
Korean
Shin Ramyeon.
noodles.
Shin Ramyeon coming up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what a surprise.
Ooh, and mochi. They've got mochi.
We do have mochi balls.
Oh.
Are we gonna have to get some mochi for dessert?
Well, we're still hitting up the pastry shop, so maybe let's control ourselves.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we were only partially successful. We went into the bakery looking for bolinhos de bacalhau, but they didn't have any.
They had sweets only.
Only sweets, but we did find an Asian supermarket that had spicy Korean shin ramyeon.
Shin ramyeon
So-
and also
That makes up for it.
mochi balls.
Oh yeah, we got mochi for dessert, so it'll be a good meal.
I sure will.
An Asian-inspired meal.
And we're probably gonna have red wine, and I'll probably after it's gonna be the most eclectic mix ever. Ramyeon, prosciutto cheese, after 8 mochi balls, and more importantly, good company. All right, salut. Salut, our first meal in Porto.
Yes.
we just wanted to go for something easy and instant. And yeah, we're gonna wrap things up here. It was a nice day. Nice travel day. It wasn't too long. What did you guys think of the trip?
It was good.
I
was
slept
good?
on it, so it was
Yeah.
pretty cozy.
Those two slept a lot on it. Anyways, it was comfortable. So we'll see you guys with more videos from Porto soon. We're gonna enjoy our meal. Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.